Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you fall decoration idea. Number 1. Bring in the bronze. As the leaf turn to shade of gold, brown and bronze, that same feeling inside too. A stable change feeling. Picture frames coordinate perfectly with a dried arrangement. Number 2. Pile pumpkin high. Make a statement by piling pumpkins of all shades and size on your dining room table. It's an easy way to bring fall inside your home. Start with the big gods first and then work your way around. Number 3. Layer texture on your mantle, especially if you love the toned down natural shade of fall. Make your mantle display stand out by adding layers of different textures. Number 4. Add touch of dark teals. What a few napkins, candles and glasses will do to charge the scene. Dark teal works so well with natural accents like wheat and pine cones.